Today we are going to take a trip down the memory lane. So stay with us and watch this video till the end. What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We are actually shooting for an episode almost after 3 weeks. After the pandemic has resurfaced strongly, we have not ventured out. We are staying inside in the interiors and we're going to shoot episodes from here. So you will see few episodes maybe for next 3 or 4 weeks from here, from our own house. In the year 1934, L.C. Nirula and M. Nirula started a venture called Hotel India in L Block, Connaught Place in Delhi. They opened several restaurants and they were quite successful. In the year 1977, they opened the first fast food chain serving pizzas, burgers, submariners and ice creams in Connaught Place, Delhi. This was the first fast food joint in India. And then Nirula's was born. Many of us who have grown in the 70s and 80s will associate a lot of our parties, our birthdays and other celebrations with Nirula's. Nirula's was the place to go if you wanted to celebrate something. So today we are going to revisit Nirula's. From 1977, the first fast food chain grew and expanded quite rapidly. I think many of the popular joints were the one in Vasant Vihar, one in Chanakyapuri and the one in Defence Colony Flyover. They also expanded to Kathmandu in Nepal. The popularity of Nirula's was unbeatable or not even challenged till the MNCs started coming to India. That was in the 90s. Even in the 1990s, Nirula's had about 40% market share in the fast food chain category. Nirula's has changed ownership couple of times after that. And today, Nirula's central kitchen is based in Noida. We ordered a pizza from Nirula's a week back and we were quite thrilled to have that pizza because it was really good. It reminded us of 1970s and 80s. So today we have ordered few things from Nirula's. So the packet is here. So the packing is really great, but let's see what all is there in this packet. So almost everything which we ordered is here, but we have the ice cream tub in the refrigerator. So we have a pizza, we have a burger, we have a mutton chops, this is my favorite, and a lime soda or it's pineapple soda. We'll come to that later. So I'll open one by one and show you how it is packed, how it looks and tell you how it tastes. So our criteria are few. We will just see whether it tastes the same as we tasted it 20 years or 25 years back. We'll also compare it with the competitors, how Nirula's compares with its competitors. And we'll also see whether it's value for money, whether it's worth the money we have spent. So let's open the first packet. So this is the first packet. You can see the packet. So this is how it is packed. You have the chop here. So one by one I'll just transfer it into this plate. So here it is, it's still hot. I think some garlic bread. And there is a hash brown. So this is how a portion of mutton chop looks. I thought there will be 2 pieces, but this is only 1 piece. I'm going to take a small piece of this mutton chop. It is a little spicy, but That is quite pleasant. It's not very spicy, but the fact that it is not moist or it's not very juicy, that makes it dry, and the spiciness kind of hits you when you start chewing the mutton chop. Actually, when you cut the mutton chop, there is some resistance, which means it's little dry. If it was moist, it would have been a great mutton chop. Whenever I've eaten mutton chops in Nirula's years back, of course, the mutton chops have been really amazing. This one is a slight disappointment, but nevertheless, I quite like it because I don't think not many restaurants serve mutton chops. Let me also taste the hash brown. So I'm going to try this mutton chop with a little bit of hash brown. I hope this combination works because hash brown is quite nice. But I still think the mutton chop it's little dry. If you ask me to give it a score out of 10, I would only give it about 6.5. This is a slight disappointment. So let's straight away go into the burger and taste the burger. So in this packet we have got the burger, we have got a hash brown, and we have got some fries. So let's transfer this into a plate. So this is the chicken chili burger from Nirula's. Actually what is inside is a fillet of chicken breast which is grilled. You can see. So there are some onions, there are some pickles, and a piece of chicken breast which is fried or grilled. So the burger looks quite compact. It's not very messy. There is sauce in the burger, but it's not dripping down. The onions are there, the pickles, and a piece of tomato. So let me just take a bite. Though this is a chicken chili burger, it is not very spicy, but the fact that it's a single piece of chicken fillet which is sandwiched between this bread makes it good. The bread tastes quite fresh. The pickles are good, but I wish there was a little bit of greens, lettuce between this bread. I would go with maybe 8 out of 10 for this spicy chicken burger or chicken spicy burger. So now we have our pizza. Let's open this pizza. This is what I've been waiting for. This is the classic mutton sausage, capsicum, onion pizza. So you can see all these pieces of mutton sausage, plenty of cheese. So you can see capsicum and onion. A very simple pizza, but this has been my favorite for years together. So let's take a piece of this pizza and taste it. Fortunately, this pizza, the mutton sausage, capsicum, onion pizza, it tastes the same. Only thing, it has become slightly cold because we have ordered it and we have been shooting. So I'm eating it after almost 40 minutes after the pizza was made. This pizza is definitely close to 10, almost perfect. This mutton sausage, capsicum, onion pizza, I'll give it definitely 9 out of 10 or maybe even 9.5. This is a 10-inch pizza and it costs approximately about 600 rupees. I'll give the exact price right here. But compared to the competitors, this is definitely worth it. This is true value for money. So we have tasted three dishes: mutton chops, the burger, and the pizza. The pizza was really good, and now it's time for the drink. So I've ordered a pineapple ice cream soda. So it comes like this. Let's remove this. It's packed quite nicely. There is no spillage. Let's remove this. So you can see some pineapple syrup with ice cream here. That is vanilla ice cream. A club soda here. We are just going to pour the club soda. That's quite thoughtful of Nirulas to pack it separately, because otherwise you'd have missed all the fun of this pineapple ice cream soda, because the fizz would have gone. So here I think there is a spoon to mix. Let's keep this packet aside. Just going to give it a stir. Can't help but to taste this here. I'm going to take a sip of this. I will be tasting the pineapple ice cream soda almost after 20 years. Wow. Amazing. When it comes to Nirula's, three flavors were my favorite: the orange, the lime, and the pineapple. Pineapple was my all-time favorite because I don't think any other brand makes pineapple ice cream like Nirula's does. And the pineapple ice cream soda is extremely good. Yeah, this is a true trip down the memory lane. If you ask me a score based on overall experience, after eating the burger, the pizza, the mutton chop, and this ice cream soda, I'll say it is an 8.5 out of 10, which is quite good and is true value for money. It is not prohibitively expensive, and it is good that Nirulas have retained their classic dishes like the mutton chops. Mutton chops definitely could have been better. The chicken chili burger and this fantastic pizza, the mutton sausage capsicum onion pizza. I'm going to continue eating it and finish this pineapple ice cream soda. So I hope you have liked this video with a lot of food from Nirula's. If you get an opportunity to order from Nirula's, please do, because Nirula's, they are serious competition to the MNCs. The taste is great and it's great value for money. I really enjoyed eating the mutton sausage pizza, the burger, and the mutton chop, and this great pineapple ice cream soda. This is absolutely stunning. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to Chomping Champion, please do it now. We have touched 10,000 subscribers, and it is all because of you. So keep supporting us and also press the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we upload a video. We are also there on social media, and we also have a website called www.chompingchampion.com. Stay safe and stay healthy. Help others and always smile. Bye.